So today is the 4th of January. It's the start of a multi-day storm outbreak. Currently we are 12 minutes west of Lithgow in the central tablelands. Decent storm hitting Oberon as we speak, and to the north storm's firing there too. So we're a few k's down south now. A lot of storms developing. Nothing severe looking as of yet, to be honest. A lot of it seems disorganised at the minute. Right, so we are now around Glen Davis. Unfortunately, a lot of storms around like Lithgow, a lot developed. They all developed on top of each other, so it just became a disorganised mess. Very small hail. Bigger stuff. Yep, bang bang. Yeah, 1 centimetre. Here's the back end. It's actually not half bad looking. Tiny bit of a green tinge in that thing. So just hailstorm just passed, literally probably a centimetre at most. Another little cell here. Doesn't look like anything severe at this stage. Yep, been like 2 minutes. Base has definitely grown, so I guess that's a positive. Only issue, these things do not know how to produce a bolt. It's all CC. We're literally just back-to-back training storms at the moment. So one storm passes, next storm develops. So literally just above our heads, it's just base for like kilometers. Like. Alright, so it's a few hours later, and we finally got some decent structure. A bit of a linear system coming towards us with a shelf cloud. So yeah, all the other stuff is like just multicellular junk, but this stuff looks more promising on radar as well as just in person. So just taking time lapse. Hopefully there's actually bolts in this thing. Look at that shelf. Not too bad. Alright, so it's getting closer. Squall. Quite a nice shelf, as you can see. Not too bad. There's literally not many bolts. I've only seen one cloud to ground strike in the last 10 minutes.